There is some important information you should know about bird flu. The H5N1 avian influenza virus is evolving faster than we thought, and in concerning ways. A new study led by researchers at UNC Charlotte has revealed that this dangerous virus is mutating specifically to evade immune defenses in mammals, including those developed through previous infections or vaccinations. This isn't just an academic concern. H5N1 represents a growing threat to both our agricultural systems and public health. The virus has already shown its ability to infect birds, livestock, and occasionally jump to humans. What makes this particularly alarming is that new strains appear increasingly resistant to existing antibodies, suggesting that older vaccine formulas may soon become ineffective. Using sophisticated computational models, researchers examined how viral proteins interact with neutralizing antibodies. Their findings were troubling. There's an overall worsening in antibody affinity to more recent H5N1 isolates. In simpler terms, our immune systems and current treatments are becoming less effective at recognizing and fighting newer versions of the virus. As lead author Colby T. Ford explains, if one makes an H5N1 vaccine with a previous vaccine candidate virus, the vaccine will have less efficacy based on our measurements of how much the virus has evolved in recent years. The research team analyzed over 1,800 antigen-antibody interactions tracking changes in the virus's hemagglutinin subunit over more than 2 decades. What they found was a continuous process of antigenic drift-small cumulative mutations that gradually reduced the effectiveness of our immune defenses. This evolution is particularly concerning given H5N1's increasing presence across multiple species. While it has primarily circulated in birds, the virus has made significant jumps to mammals. In the past year alone, it was detected in dairy cattle across at least 17 U.S. states. Even more concerning, the CDC has reported 70 human cases in the United States since January 2022, including 1 fatality. Globally, H5N1 has been linked to 466 human deaths since 2003, according to the World Health Organization. Between January 2022 and March 2025, the CDC documented over 12,500 outbreaks among wild birds within the United States, with virus detections in 51 jurisdictions affecting more than 166 million poultry. These widespread cross-species infections suggest we're already experiencing an animal pandemic, raising serious concerns about future human pandemic potential. The researchers argue that we need a new approach to vaccine development, one that can keep pace with the virus's continuous genetic changes. As H5N1 modifications accelerate, older vaccines will become less effective, making it essential to develop and regularly update vaccines that reflect the virus's current genetic makeup. This study also highlights the value of high-performance computing in understanding viral evolution. By integrating AI-based protein folding with physics-based simulations, researchers can better anticipate changes in viral structure and inform more effective policy decisions. With H5N1 already widespread among wild birds and expanding into mammalian hosts, its cross-species jumps present a significant concern for public health officials worldwide. More robust monitoring, updated vaccination strategies, and ongoing computational analyses will be crucial if we hope to stay ahead of this rapidly evolving threat. For more on this story, find the link to the article on Earth.com by clicking on the link in the description.